Hi, today I'm part of new Galaxy A73 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. After that click to the volume section, and to change ringtone volume we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side this blue dot. Also we can make it with the help of the volume buttons. Just first be sure that your volume keys for media switcher is turned off, and now just by press to the up or to the down volume button we can see that the ringtone volume successfully turned off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.